Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So today I will be making the Larimar effect again, but it will be in different colors, so the result will be different as well. So let's mix the colors. And this is my mold by Art for Start. It's a crystal edge mold and I really love it. So let's begin, and I am using crusting craft here. And you can see I'm adding around 5 to 6, or you can say 7 drops of casting craft in it. Now I'm adding my resin. So the color was not much, I had to add more. So it was around 7 to 8 drops. So after mixing my white, I will be mixing other colors. So there was a lot of questions regarding the transparent pigment or the paste. So what I want to tell you is that you can use paste as well. You can use transparent pigment as well. But if you're using a paste, you need to use very less paste. Because I'm using a black epoxy pigment here, first I will be using a purple one. This is a transparent pigment. It's nothing special, it's just a transparent pigment that we use for make a transparent effect in different projects. That's it. And also you need to have a low viscosity resin for this project. No matter how thin it is, it should be low viscosity. That's the main thing you want for this design to achieve. And here I am taking a black pigment paste, as you can see, and I will be taking it just this amount. I will be showing you just this amount, and it's going into the cup. And now I will be adding the resin in it. So it's all about controlling the colors. So I will be experimenting with this technique more, and for later on I thought that I will be using epoxy pigments for both of my colors instead of using any transparent color. So yeah, it's just experimentation, nothing else. You can see there is a transparent hue to this black because I use less. So now comes the pouring part here. So first you add the white color. Just to tell you that I did some experimentation and added different colors beforehand and not the white. So it's two different result and you don't get the effect, and instead you get just a blank coaster. So anyone interested in doing so, I want to tell you ahead that there will be no designing if you are going to change the effect or the layering system here. And now I will be adding the second color here. And so again, there is no set rule for adding the colors. You can add black first or purple first, really up to you. But the thing is that you need to pour white first for getting that effect if you want it. And into the center, I'm adding my second color, all in one go. And now comes the third color. And again, it will be going in one go. And after that, I will be adding rest of my clear resin into the center. So these are the set rules you have to follow for this technique. I did try another one as well. It's in another tutorial. I will link it. I had poured onto the sides and I got similar effect, but the design pattern was a bit different. So I will be doing that again as well. So with all these techniques, what I notice is that the design are simple, the same that we make, but in the end you pour clear resin into the center and everything goes to the side and then comes back. This is something that creates these different designs that are revolving around so much. So yeah, on Instagram, and so there are so many design to it, and constantly there are new designs coming as well. But one thing I noticed in common is that it's the pouring of clear resin into the center that changes everything. So after that, I will be adding the gold foil, and whatever you like to design the center with, it's really up to you. And after adding all these foils, I will leave it to cure and see you next day. So this is the next day, and let's demold. So something to look around is that your bag should be like this. Then you can know that the design has formed. So my glitter has moved here and there a bit because I moved my coaster when it was curing, and I got slight disturbance in the design as well because of this. So this is how it turned out, and I really love it. It's again so pretty, but I am just finding where the purple is because I think black has taken over. And so I can see agate here. The formation is beautiful, and this is how it turned out. Again, a very lovely, beautiful effect. Those white veins are so pretty. They actually make everything so different. Something very different here, and the pattern is so beautiful. So yeah, the purple is lost, but I really love how it's giving me those earthy tones of the agate, and really pretty. Just let me know in comments what you think about it, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, because I do a lot of experimentation and resin and different mixed media work. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.